Hydrogen has an important role to play in the energy system, but producing that hydrogen is also, in a way, a load on the grid. Our target clients are wind developers. These are companies that are building large wind farms and want to integrate a level of flexibility within the wind farm, allowing them actually to extract more value from the electrical output that they produce by selling it when it is needed most.
This energy storage system will going to bring value to the produced offshore wind power by shifting it to when it will be really needed from the grid.
It's what decouples the energy supply from the weather. FLASC started as an idea during my PhD work. We were looking at offshore wind energy as a topic, and we found the challenge of getting this offshore wind onto the onshore grid as a very interesting one to try and solve, and try to develop a technology specifically that can be installed offshore.
We want to convert energy from the electrical through mechanical and using it to pump water in the contained system, and we are storing energy through compressed gas.
We take the electricity we want to store, supply that to a pump which pushes liquid inside a closed chamber. So you can imagine here the gas is going to be compressed. And the ocean is actually an excellent heat sink. It's very good at keeping things at a constant temperature. And what this means is that all the energy we put into the system becomes pressure, and we can recover most of it. So I would say 96% is our thermal efficiency. And that means that the system overall is very efficient.
The simplicity of the system is that it can be used relatively in any offshore location. If you want to increase the capacity of our energy storage system, we just increase the length of the pipe. So our solution is more elegant and cheaper and cost-effective than batteries.
When we launched our first prototype in Malta, this was the first time we built our system, and we saw that the results were exactly matching our expectations in terms of efficiency, in terms of how the process works. So it's very encouraging to then take this to the market. The end goal for us is really to extract as much value as we can from offshore renewables. And in the long term, I also think we could be in a position to operate these systems and really optimize the system, leveraging all the various ones that are working together, data sets, and providing flexibility as a service.